welcome to another episode of Does It Pipe? Today we're making a pipe out of a Starburst. Best part about this is if I fail at making this pipe, I can actually eat part of it afterwards. Make sure you wash your hands if you're going to do this. It's incredibly sticky. Let's jump in. Now, if you decide to make this pipe, you're going to need a few things. One of the things you're going to need skewers, or like shish kebabs, whatever you want to call them. And then you're going to need about 4 Starburst packages. I say 4 because you're going to need a couple to make the pipes out of, and then you're going to need a couple afterward because you're going to want to eat some. So just do that. Buy 4 of them. People at the store are going to think you're crazy, but that's alright. The one thing I did wrong when I was making this pipe is that I didn't stack the Starbursts one at a time individually onto the skewer. What I tried to do is stack them all on top of each other and then spike this skewer through that. I don't suggest doing that because that makes your hole uneven. So what I would suggest doing is putting on the Starbursts one at a time. And here's the pipe. Finally, it took a lot of work. I don't know what's going on with this little thing. If you could see, like, my candy, it's like sweating. So this gets really sticky. What better to smoke sticky icky with than something that's sticky, right? Let's try it out. It tastes like candy, but I don't feel like I'm getting any weed out of this. I have to say this pipe is a fail. Not a fan. Sticky, gross, takes forever to make. Debunked this stupid idea. Best part of this pipe though is that you can eat it at the end. Even if you can't smoke it, at least I still have candy. It was a fail, but I still get candy.